Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can set your game library on GOG Galaxy from private to public and vice versa. So let us guide you through it. So guys, what you want to do is launch GOG Galaxy on your device, log into your account, click into your profile icon top left and select account settings from the drop down menu. Next, navigate to the privacy settings here, wait for it to finish loading. And here guys, under your full game library can be seen, you can adjust the visibility status. It is usually set to friends can see it on default, but you can go with only me. That will make it 1% private, or all visitors, that will make it 1% public, or something in between like your friends or all GOG Galaxy users. That's up to you. So let me switch to only me and then back to public. And you will see the changes here to the right applied instantaneously so that you don't have to click into any save button. That's it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.